Ta-da! Good morning, my Englishers. How are you doing this moment? At the moment? I don't know.
We don't care.
Dans deux dernières vidéos, nous t'ai parlé de questions yo ka posé nous dans une interview pour un travail. Nous fit postuler pour job là, yo relé nous pour nous venir dans interview. Moi te bay question qui inévitablement pas capable sortir. Je dis ensemble, nous allons essayer de répondre quelques questions. Première question, c'était qui saleté encore? Tell me about you. Let's try together. Entendez audition. Entendez sonorisation.
My name is Kiava Capit Radio. I am 25 years old. I was born in Port-au-Prince. I did my classical studies at the Marie-Anne College and my university studies at the Autonomous University of Port-au-Prince. Do you have any questions?
Let me try. My name is Kiava. My name is Kiava Capit Radio. I am 25 years old. I was born in Port-au-Prince. Second question. Why should we hire you? Why should we hire you? Ça veut dire pour qui ça nous t'a supposé embaucher. Là, on va parler de sérieuxité dans le travail, on va parler de compétences, on va faire en sorte que pas qu'il y ait l'autre personne qui a fait le job là puis bien passé. On va le vanter tout. Let's go.
I am a responsible person. I never neglect my work. When I am at work, nothing can distract me, and I always make sure to fulfill my obligations. You won't find any better than me, I assure you.
I am a responsible person. I never neglect my work. When I am at work, nothing can distract me. And always make sure to fulfill my obligations. You won't never find any better than me. I'll show you. Do you get it? Me, I got it. Seulement nous pouvons mémoriser la tête parce que nous appelle dit. Troisième question qui t'est posée. What the salary do you expect? Pas trop envie de répondre à question ça parce que Mèsi une question piège. So skip this question. Ok? Passons. Troisième question. Hein? How do you pas monter mal. How do you prioritize your work? How do you prioritize your work? Disons prioriser job. Si vous avez dit rien pas qu'à distraire ou responsable ou pas jamais négliger travail et que vous avez besoin d'un bon passé, on pas obligé de répondre question ça tout. Mais on a dit I repeat that I am a responsible person. I never neglect my work. Nothing can distract me. C'est toujours la même chose. The same thing. Skip. Next. C'était pour que ça ait quitté ancien travail. Comme cause de démission, moi dit distance là pas tant avantage moi te compte prendre 1 temps et demi sur route là et parfois prendre gain blocus. Ça te vient faire que moi en retard souvent. Donc au lieu moi plaider en retard dans travail moi te préféré démissionner.
The distance was not to my advantage. I took an hour and a half on the road. Sometimes there was traffic jam. You imagine, it caused me to be late. Instead of continuing to be late, I preferred to resign.
Well, goddamn. Sometimes. So, you imagine? It's
I don't know.
It's good. I prefer. Imagine. You imagine. on va appresye, ok? Accent vini avec pratique. The distance was not to my advantage. I took an hour and a half on the road. Sometimes there was traffic jam. You imagine? It caused me to be late. Instead of continue to be later, I preferred to resign. La question te prend, c'est what motivates you? Ouais, j'aime bien dire vite comme ça. C'est qui ça qui motive you? Pour la question ça, moi rentre dans cadre hôpital, dans cadre nurse.
I like helping people in need. I like knowing that I have saved lives. I like feeling useful to my community. But my greatest motivation is my dream of one day becoming a great doctor.
I like helping people in need. I like knowing that I have saved lives. I like feeling useful to my community. But my greatest motivation is my dream of one day becoming a great doctor. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, comment, share, please. Goodbye.